Hey guys, we are checking out the progress of the monorail yellow line construction, and right now we are at the Ladphrao-Ratchada Intersection. This is the Ladphrao-Ratchada flyover. So if we go straight there, we'll reach Central Ladphrao or 𝚕𝚗𝚗𝚗𝚗 Weekend Market. And the opposite side is going towards, there's the spaghetti lines. When we go this way, the opposite side, we will reach 𝚕𝚗𝚕𝚘𝚗𝚗 and 𝚕𝚘𝚗𝚕𝚘𝚗. That's going to Minbury. So this is the Ladphrao-Ratchada Intersection. And you can see the night market. They call it Suan Night Bazaar here at the intersection of Ladphrao-Ratchada. Oh my goodness, that was very close. Beating the red light, a motorcycle beating a red light. Anyways, so this is the Ratchada Ladphrao intersection, and we're gonna check out the progress of the construction of the yellow line. And you can see the famous spaghetti line, so we'll have to move the camera higher. Don't get me wrong, but in some parts of Bangkok, they have already put these communication lines or cables underground, but in most parts they still haven't done that as yet. Just imagine if they're all underground, you can see a single communication cable. Oh, that'll be great. So here we are again. We are on the corner of Ladphrao-Ratchada, and we are going to check out the progress. This is actually monorail yellow line, and this is where it all starts. This is about 30-kilometer monorail project, and there will be 23 stations starting here at Y1 or Yellow 1 station. That will be Ladphrao-Ratchada. It's even more traffic because of the construction of the monorail. Now, this was originally proposed to be an underground subway and an elevated metro, but then to cut the cost, they had to change their plans to build the monorail. So since the first quarter of 2018, they started the construction of the yellow line here, and it will be ending at Samrong, which is in Samut Prakan province. So again, there will be a total of 23 stations, and this project is about 55 billion baht, or converted into US dollars, that would be about 1.8 billion dollars. So we can see the cranes, the backhoes, they're all working day and night actually. Some reports say that as of March of this year, completion was reported to be 30%, and by July of this year, the first half of 2019, completion was 30.40%. So now it's the last quarter of the year, 2019. It's September, so probably progress should be somewhere between 40 and 45%. Now in some parts of the construction sites, there has been already like platform beams have been erected. Here they're just trying to put up the beams. So on the corner of Ladphrao Soi 33, we can see now some beams are upright. Traffic is really bad as they had to close 2 lanes, both inbound and outbound. On this side, they're still trying to erect the beams. So maybe in about a month or so, these beams will be upright. We are at the corner of Ladphrao Soi 33. We are now at Ladphrao 35. We are now at Bangsu Canal. This is Bang Sue Canal. It's pretty quiet out here. So the excavation period is done. The foundation has been laid completely, so it will be much easier to erect the beams. There you can see from afar. That is going to the mall Bangkapi. From the pedestrian bridge of Ladphrao Soi 50, signing off. Thanks for watching, guys.